Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and I finally got it. Oh man, Rayhaan's Aquatica. It's supposed to be a clone of Silver Mountain Water, and I like that DNA a lot. And I have a clone, but it doesn't work that well. But anyway, let's jump into it. Let's see how I do. All right, so I'm ready to jump into this. Man, I'm so glad to finally get this. I was having a hard time picking this up. I don't know, it was like places were having it and then it'd be sold out and it was just going in and out. So finally got it. And this is a summer fragrance. So, or at least the DNA is supposed to be a summer fragrance. So hopefully I'll be able to rock it all summer, all spring. Well, we're coming to the end of spring now, so all summer. See, all right, same basic Rayhaan boxes. It's just a different colorway. This one is like a like almost like a Tiffany green, Tiffany blue color. I'm not sure if it's coming up the same way, and it has the normal slip cover. This is a slip cover, right? Because the other ones, this was a slip cover, is it? Maybe it's not. Okay, but it's pretty much the same type of box as the other Rayhaan boxes with this grid pattern and then the actual color of the box under it. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Ooh, this bottle is kind of nice. Box pretty basic, but this bottle is pretty nice. It's like it's all silver. It has like a tint of blue, the color inside, and has the same top. There we go. You can see the color of the juice there. Okay, let's see. Now, if this is a clone of Virgin Island Waters, oh my goodness, this is gonna be worn a lot this summer, this season. Wait a minute, that smells a little bit different. It smells more lime kind of vibe to it. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and get it on skin and see. Oh my goodness, look at that sprayer. Whoa, look how much juice is came out of it. Ooh. Ooh. Oh man. That's nice. Yes. Okay. It smelled like really lime when I sprayed it in the air, but on the skin, that's kind of faded down already before I put it to my nose. This is going to be a beast performer, I could tell, or at least the opening of it. This is nice, and I'm smelling some green in it too. Green, as in like maybe a fern or something like that. This is nice. Oh man, but it smells a little bit different from the other clone. The other clone I had of Virgin Island Waters is this one, St. Bart's by Tommy Bahama. This smells a little bit more of the that tropical vibe of like having like a drink, a tropical drink. I'm gonna put that on this hand. And the thing I wasn't crazy about with this fragrance is the performance. It's like I maybe get 2 or 3 hours out of this. Yeah, this one has more of the drink kind of aspect to it, almost like a gin kind of vibe to it. But this may have it too when it dries down. But yeah, I'm still getting the tropical vibe, but I'm getting some green too. Oh man, this is gonna be nice. Let me grab the notes. Hold on a second. All right, so I'm back in. I grabbed the notes, and I was right. The first note, okay, top notes. Top notes are lime, coconut milk, bergamot, and mandarin. That lime is That's the first thing you smell when you sprayed this on. When I sprayed this, especially when I sprayed it in the air, I still kind of pick it up a little bit on my skin, but in the air, it was just mainly lime. And then the middle notes are sugarcane, jasmine, hibiscus, and gardenia. And then in the base notes, we have rum, musk, tonka bean, and patchouli. That's what the difference is between the two. This one is still the St. Bart's by Tommy Bahama. This one smells more like a vodka kind of vibe to it. Not just straight vodka, but it smells like a mixed drink with vodka. This one kind of, I guess it has rum in it. Maybe that's what the difference is. It's not the same kind of vibe. They smell like they're twins, but they're not identical twins.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So I could layer these two and they will blend just right fine. So yeah, okay, this is nice. Oh man, finally got it. Actually got it as a gift. You guys know Carrie, she's been in a couple of videos. She got it for me. Yeah. And man, and she knew I was looking for it, so she picked it out for me. That's nice. Oh man. Okay, I'm happy about it. This is gonna be a summer banger. I can't wait to wear this one. All right, so and it came out, I think it just came out this year. Let me see. Let's see, when did this come out? No, it came out the end of last year, 2025. So, all right, Aquatica. There we go. Yeah. But anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me, getting my first impressions of one of the new Rayhaans. Rayhaan's coming out with a new fragrance almost every other week, but this is one of the newer ones, and this is the one for the season that's coming up for us, the end of spring and coming into the summer. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.